Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a unique and beautiful centerpieces. All the centerpieces are very unique and beautiful, which is very helpful for your home decor. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.